Unlock the power of reusing your design elements and seamlessly blending projects by mastering the art of copying layers between Photoshop documents. First, ensure both your source and destination Photoshop documents are open. For this demonstration, we'll be copying layers from this graphic design document to our photograph. Begin by opening your Layers panel in the document from which you wish to copy. Locate the specific layer, or layers, you want to transfer. You can select a single layer by clicking on it. To select multiple layers, hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac, and click on each additional layer you want to include. With your desired layers selected, the easiest way to copy them is by using a simple keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl-C or Command-C on a Mac to copy these selected layers. Now, switch your active window to the Photoshop document where you want to paste your copied layers. With the destination document active, simply press Ctrl-V or Command-V on a Mac to paste your copied layers. And just like that, your layers have been transferred. Notice how all the original properties, such as blending modes, opacity, and any layer effects, are preserved. This method allows you to efficiently combine elements from different projects, create complex compositions, and avoid tedious recreation, saving you significant time and effort in your creative workflow. Experiment with different layer combinations and watch your designs evolve into something truly unique and impactful.